Tired of your N8n Telegram bot acting like it doesn't understand you? Let's dive straight in and learn how to test and view Telegram trigger data in N8n, ensuring your workflows spring to life with every message. First, drag and drop a Telegram trigger note onto your N8n canvas. Now, connect your Telegram bot by selecting your credentials if you haven't set them up already. You'll need to create a new one next. Choose your trigger type. This determines what kind of Telegram event will activate your workflow, like a new message or a command. Here's the magic: click the Listen for Events button at the bottom of the execution panel. This puts your trigger note into listening mode, ready to capture data from Telegram. Head over to Telegram and send a message or use the command you've configured for your bot. Remember, the message or command needs to match the trigger type you selected in N8n. Back in N8n, you should now see the data received from Telegram displayed in the execution panel. Expand the JSON data to inspect all the details, like the message content, chat ID, and user information. This helps you confirm that your bot is receiving the correct information. If the data isn't what you expected, double-check your trigger settings and ensure your Telegram bot is configured correctly. Test different messages and commands to fine-tune your workflow. Happy automating!